I'm just gonna go ahead and use the new version of Telescape and just see what happens. Okay, so alright, well that defaulted to California, but it moved. Geisha has tested all this logic. I'm not gonna go in and test logic for my feed or anything like that. I'm really just gonna be clicking around, and hopefully I won't send the video because things will just work. It's still not defaulting like we talked about in the beginning a long time ago. I guess it's probably still tagged. It's not defaulting to full extent of these plan memories, but I'm sure that's low on the totem pole. I'm kind of confused about a memory I clicked earlier. It could be from a legacy issue, but it was essentially a memory, a test memory, so I was trying to delete it at my old house. Down here, I've got several. But this is Travis's memory, so when I click it, it says Kaya's World. So this isn't my memory. This may be something that's just old. So I can't delete it clearly, even though it's my memory. Yeah. It's only got Kaya there. So maybe this was something I had deleted. I don't remember exactly, just pointing it out. Alright. Obviously geolocation doesn't work. This is Android. Clear the back button, still doesn't work. To go back to original extent. I think we're aware of that. So that's not showing up. I should zoom in to the station. Like when I click it, it should zoom into the geospatial footprint of it. Maybe he didn't take any pictures. Looks like he didn't take any pictures. In this situation, some art created, it shouldn't be there. It has a time limit to where people, if they don't take a picture, it's supposed to be deleted. Go to my schedule, my notifications. This always seems to take a while to load, an uncomfortable amount of time. I'm on Wi-Fi, so. And these refresh, like, issues like this, that didn't refresh. I'm gonna have to go back and then come back in, I guess. Need to work on like checking, sharing, and inviting for sure. So I just hearted that, and then I got a notification. Um, why is that the case? So that's still a bug, I guess. I'm just going through general stuff, but um, and I click back, and the back button should work throughout the app, in which it goes back to where I was. So right then, it should have gone back to that experience that I was just at. It should always go back to where you just were. Um, it's got 11 likes. Should probably be in the top experiences. I wonder though. So I have a question here. Let's see if it works. But I want to set a video as the default. So let's say I want to set this as default. Set default. So now it has the green star. Now let's go home. That's not refreshed. This title, the trending should show the first default picture, right? So that should be moved. But more importantly, and I hit back, the card view should show the default. Trying to figure out if the default works anywhere. Default is not working at all anywhere, so that's a huge problem. I thought was already fixed. I don't like things that were fixed going back to not being fixed. Um, so I'm not sure like what I'm testing. I'm testing like everything. I haven't for me seen it really any changes or updates from the last time I had looked at it. You know, it seems to be taking a bit long to render some of this stuff, but I'm sure that can be fixed in time. With the right resources, you should be able to like view past events. And I'd like memories to be off. This should probably show it like this, since that's what's defaulted. And then you can turn things off. Just saying, because like it should probably show you like how it's already. Because when you go in, that's what you see. I know we need to update the Explore page, but I don't want to do anything to break anything right now. talked about being able to like it from the card view. That's kind of important. To be able to like it once from card view and then like individual media. Still can't do that. I just liked it. It has a slight lag. It's still giving me that notification pop up glitch. This is just a general me going through it. I mean, it's not too bad. Some stuff that needs to be fixed. I'll do more actual detailed testing. I guess let me try share. Let me try to share that with somebody. I'll see what she sees.